Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Inflation changes money's value over time. Let's solve this interest rate problem using the Fisher equation to find the correct answer today. First, we must recall the Fisher equation, which states that the nominal interest rate equals the real interest rate plus the inflation rate. This formula is essential for our calculation here. Since the nominal rate is fixed on these existing loans, any increase in the inflation rate must be balanced by a corresponding decrease in the real interest rate to keep equilibrium. This inverse relationship means as prices rise faster, the real value of interest paid drops. That makes option B our final winner.
Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given info and check your steps carefully.